everyone, my name is Vaniemermaid and welcome back to another episode of Pokemon Go. How y'all doing? Well, for me, I'm tired. I don't know if I do look tired. I'm not sure. Do I look tired? Maybe because of my makeup, that's why. I don't know. So yeah, I've been tired because Fortinet week is this week. So I've been helping prepare it like before and this week. So it's been a really tiring week. That's why I didn't even post any new video last week. You didn't miss much. There was no shiny psychic event Pokemon. I didn't get anything. Like I want LGM, but I couldn't get it. But oh my gosh. But anyway, so yeah, it was like more like a rest for me. So yeah, for those of you who don't know what Fortinet is, it's like a golf tournament happen every year in Napa at Silverado Resort. And they have a golf course there. So yeah, it's different. This is the second year because in the previous year they keep changing the sponsorship. It used to be like Safeway Open and then Lagardère Sports, and now it's Fortinet. Yeah. So yeah, it's I couldn't get tickets to the event. That's so fine. Because I'm busy anyway. So I do want to do something because I didn't do it last week to evolve my alakazam into a mega form. Mega alakazam for the first time. Here we go. Alakazam. And it is Mega Alakazam. Ooh. Dun dun dun. Pokédex entry. Yay. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It looks like those Indian gods. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it looks like cool with a mustache and everything and a spoon. It moves so awesome. Yeah, this is just only 2 stars. I wish you get Shundos, right? I thought I'm gonna take forever to complete this time research because the second one was to walk 2 kilometers. I didn't walk 2 kilometers. I thought I need to walk 1 more kilometer, but I guess my laundry and drifting here in this parking lot helped me to gain 2 kilometers. But yeah, I'm just gonna claim all these rewards. Hopefully get some shiny. You must complete your research encounter first. What? I'm confused. Let me catch this. What's going on? I don't get it. That was weird. I can still encounter Onyx. Weird. That was a weird glitch. Okay, so whatever. I have no idea why you saw that. You saw that glitch, right? Okay. Okay, not. I'm gonna double check the IVs. It's not great, but I just want to double check it. Sorry, there was some guys glaring at me. I don't know, in the parking lot. Okay, parking garage. Okay. Come on. Okay, steel eggs. All right. Let's claim this. What is it? Oh, okay, the new Pokemon. Togedemaru. Okay. Yeah, so this is not going to be Pokédex entry because I caught it during my lunch break. So yeah, so far I haven't caught any good IVs. They're all either 2 stars or 1 star, so hopefully this is a 3 stars. Please, a 3 star. I don't care if it's something. Okay, it's still 2 stars. The ghosts get 3 stars, okay? So just to let you know, this does not evolve at all. So, yeah. Oh well. I think it's just more about catching the steel type for the steel event. So, next step is, okay, everything simple. Catch 12 MT5 steel type, 15 curveball, evolve 3 steel type. Catch 5, make 5 excellent throws, catch different species of steel type. Take 5 snapshots of different wild Pokemon steel type. Yeah, everything's simple. And then this, I'm still making progress. This is the time. Oh my gosh, I just realized it's 1 out of 5. It's going to take me a long way to go. But yeah, the time research for Go Battle League. Yeah, I'm like 84 wins. I know what you're thinking. Like, why are you taking so long? Yes, you can get 5 Go. You can use 5. You got 5 set of Go Battle League. So that's like 5 times 5 equals 25. You can battle 25, but remember, I'm not that great at winning Go Battle League, and now it's the Ultra League. Wait, let me double check. Is it the Ultra League right now? Because I was really horrible during Great League. We're just gonna click on it but not battle it. Yeah, it's Ultra League. And the Weather Cup was interesting on the first day until it's not, because I keep losing. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can see this, but look at this. The sun, best angle, the sun is shining the Napa River and it's glistening. Very beautiful. Okay, One of these bird was quacking wildly. I'm not sure which one is it, but live bird, yay! Can we catch them? Too bad it's not Pokemon. I'm just waiting for it to quack. I guess when I start recording it's not quacking anymore. Never mind then. Oh look, he's swimming. Join the buddy. Enjoying the buddy. Yay! They're swimming! Swim away freely! Swim! This is part of Fortinet mini golf thing. It started on Wednesday. The Wednesday one you see celebrities and all that stuff, but this is just extended during the weekend just for families. But this is the best place to get this one. Watch this. Oh, not this one. Oh, I ruined it. Where's my... Where is it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Uh-oh. I lost it. No. Where'd it go? Oh, there you go. There you go. My Hundo Togedemaru. Yes, the best place to get it right here. My Hundo. Yay! This is from the field research. So yeah, I am surprised I got this. It's just like this came out Friday, so today's Saturday, so day 2 I finally got this, a Hundo. Yay, worth it. Well, it's very cold here in Napa and windy, so I'm going home early. Oh, my allergies acting up. Oh, because the pollens are coming in. No shinies today. It's always like this. I'm shiny locked before Community Day. And so the best IV, a second one, Togedemaru. It is 98%. Yay! I am shocked. Hundo and then 98%. Oh my gosh. I guess I'm done hunting this guy until the shiny form comes out, whenever it does. Too bad it doesn't evolve. And then I caught something, I think this is a 93% Aggron in the wild. Possibly 93, I am not sure, but yeah, impressive. That's all the catches. I didn't get much, so yeah. I want to do one thing before the end of, this is not the end of the video. I'm going to add Roggenrola Community, but the problem is I am not going to go out for a walk because it's going to rain tomorrow, which is Sunday for me here in everywhere in the Bay Area. It's going to rain. We need the rain, okay, because of the fire and the heat. Remember 2 weeks ago, it was like over 100 degrees or 110 degrees. Let me go ahead and Mega Evolve this Aggron. I know I already Mega Evolve Alakazam, the shiny version, and once I evolve this Mega Aggron, that it will X out the Mega Alakazam, and it goes back to the regular Alakazam. I know that, but I just wanted to do this for the Pokédex entry. This Aggron was caught in 2018 in San Francisco. I don't remember how, whatever. So I'm gonna Mega Evolve it. Yay, for the very first time. Huh? Yes, okay. See that? The good thing they give you a notification. Here it goes. Yay. Come on, come on. Rawr. Yay. Mega Aggron Pokédex in the entry. Yay. Oh my gosh, it looks so awesome. I like Mega Alakazam much better. But this is Fierce a Monster. But yay. Yes, this was a Hundo. Yay. And I'm surprised I had it as a buddy. So for the Mega Beast that just came out, like, I think it was so random. Like, I think it was on Wednesday. I forgot. Yeah, it's this one is Celesteela. I don't know how to pronounce it, but sorry. So it's only available in the southern region. So I got some invites from people from Australia, and they yeah, sent some invites for me. But it looks awesome, yeah. And then in my region, I get Kartana. Oh my gosh, I got 91%. This is the highest I can ever get until I'll go grind it once the shiny form comes out. But yeah, it is very tiny when you try to catch it in the wild. I mean, after you finish battling it in the raid, it's really small trying to catch it. It's like the circle's getting smaller and smaller. But yeah, I like this better than the other one. But yeah, this one available in the northern hemisphere.